cooking, Gabe?
Cookie Monster.
You're cooking Cookie Monster.
There's lots of ingredients in there.
Lots of ingredients. Is it a soup, a chili? What is it?
We're making chicken.
You're making chicken?
Yeah.
Cookie Monster chicken?
Yeah. It's not gonna taste good.
It's not going to taste good?
No.
Well, who's going to eat it then?
Cockroaches.
Oh, it's for cockroaches. Well, they would like that. Cardboard.
Bye.
Oh, are you going to take a bite, Isaac?
I'm gonna take a bite of this
What were the hats for? What were the hats for, Gabe?
These are oil hats. Oh no, Isaac!
What do you use the oil hats for?
Robot oil.
Oh, you're putting robot oil in. Did you put that on the door? What's that for? What's that for? Looks like you got a little alphabet stew in there or something. Little alphabets in there? That's so the cockroaches can learn how to talk? Oh, there's dinosaurs in there?
Yeah. No, the dinosaurs are chickens that cook with it.
Ah, okay, chicken.
And this stuff is just dirt, because they're walking.
It's dirt.
Yeah, they're walking.
Torn up egg cartons.
And there was the oil, the robot oil.
The robot oil, I'm sure. Now, where do you buy robot oil? Where do you acquire that?
This is what they have to eat.
Looks yummy. All right, guys, say bye.
Bye. In there.